Good morning students, myself Abhid Maheshwari and I am taking your math class. In this class I am going to explain exercise 2.3. In the previous video I am completed exercise 2.1 and 2.2. I am going to start new exercise 2.3. Student, you remember in the last exercise you have to find the value of x or other variable. But in this exercise you have to find the value of x as well as you have to verify your answer, or we have to say you have to check your answer is right or wrong. So come on the first question, I am going to explain. First we find the value of x and then we have to check our answer. So first question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So what we do first in this type of question, when there are two when the variable are placed at one or two place, then you have to arrange at one side. So just remove this 2x to this side. Here it is in plus, then this side becoming minus, is equal to 18. Then 3x minus 2x, what you got here, x, then x is equal to 18. It is your answer. Now you have to check your answer is right or wrong. That is the new thing. So for checking you have to take first left hand side. Left hand side, this side is known as left hand side, this side is known as right hand side. So for the left hand side you take 3x. Now just write 3 into what is the value of x you get here, 18. Just put 18 here. Then 18 into 3 you get 54. Now you have to check your right hand side. Just write right hand side. What is the right hand side? 2x plus 18 you write here. Then 2 into what is the value of x you get here, 18. Just write 18 here plus 18. Then 18 to the 36 plus 18, then 54. Now here you see that your left hand side is 54 and your right hand side is 54. If both are same, if both are equal to each other, then your answer is right. So right here left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means your answer is right. If they both are not equal to each other, it means that your answer is wrong and you have to solve again. But here both become equal, so it means your answer is right. So x is equal to 18 is confirmed. Come on the second question. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. In this question you have t at 2 place and constant at 2 place. Then what you do? Just remove the variable at one side and constant at the other side. Then this 3t come to this side, then it is here plus, here become minus, and this 3 move to this side, this 3 here minus, then this side become plus. Now 5t minus 3t, what you get here, 2t, and minus 5 plus 3, what you get, minus plus minus, you get 2. And what is the sign of greater number? Minus, so you have to put minus here, you get minus 2 here. Now just find the value of t. 2 here multiply, when it come to this side become divide, then 2 cut by 2, it become minus 1. Now you have to check your answer is right or wrong. So right, checking, for the checking side, left hand side is equal to 5t minus 33. Then 5 into what is the value of t you get here, minus 1, and then minus 3, then 5 into minus 1 you get minus 5, then minus 3, finally you get minus 8. Now just check the right hand side, you get minus 8 or not. If you get minus 8, then your answer is right. If you did not get minus 8, then your answer is wrong. Then 3t minus 5, 3 into what is the value of t here, minus 1, then minus 5, then 3 ones are 3, minus same as it is, and then minus 5, minus minus plus. So right here 8, and when the sign are same, their answer also contain the same sign, so it become minus 8. Both are equal to each other, it means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Your answer is verified, your answer is correct. Now come on the third question. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Then you just arrange this 3x come to this side, then it become minus, and this 9 move to this side, it become minus. Now 5x minus 3x you get here 2x, and 5 minus 9 you get minus 4. What is the value of x? 2 come this side, become in divide, and finally you get x is equal to minus 2. Now you have to check your answer is right or wrong. The left hand side 5x plus 9, 5 into minus 2 plus 9, and 5 to the 10, minus 10 plus 9 you get minus 1. The right hand side 5 plus 3x, 5 plus 3 into what is the value of x here, minus 2, just put here, then 5 minus 6 you get minus 1. Left hand side minus 1, right hand side minus 1, both are equal to each other. It means that your answer is right. Now student, we are coming on question number 4. What is the question number 4? 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Just arrange 2z this side here plus this side become minus, and this 3 come this side, here plus here minus. So you get 4z minus 2z, you can write 2z here, and 6 minus 6 you can write here 3. What you get? Z is equal to 3 by 2. This 2 come this side and you become z is 3 by 2. Now you have to verify your answer. Left hand side 4z plus 3, 4 into what is the value of z here? 3 by 2. So put 3 by 2 here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and then plus 3, then 3 2s are 6, and then plus 3, you get here 9. Now right hand side 6 plus 2z, then 6 plus 2 into what is the value of z here? 3 by 2, put 3 by 2 here, 2 z 2 is cancelled, then 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, it means that your answer is right. Now come on the question number 5. It is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So you have to arrange x one side and constant one side. 2x here, this x come this side become plus, this 1 go this side become plus. Now 3x is equal to 15. What is the value of x? 15 by 3. 3 come this side and divide. Then you get finally 5. What is the value of x here? 5. Now you have to check. Left hand side 2x minus 1 you have to put 2 into what is the value of x here? 5 minus 1. Then 5 2s are 10 minus 1. You get 9 in the left hand side. Now you have to check right hand side. Right hand side you have 14 minus x, means 14 minus 5, again you get 9. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side, it means that your answer is right. Now come on the sixth question. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket x minus 1 bracket close plus 7. Now 8x plus 4, right, same, just multiply inside. 3 multiply s is become 3x, and 3 multiply minus 1 become minus 3, and then plus 7. Now just check 8x plus 4, 3x minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 you can write here plus 4. 4 on both sides they are cancelled to each other. Then 8x is equal to 3x. Now x from this side it becomes 5x is equal to 0. Then what is the value of x? 0 by 5. So you can write here 0. When you divide 0 by any number you always get 0. So what is the value of x here? 0. Now you have to check your answer. 8x plus 4, what is the value of x here? 0, just put 8 multiply 0, again you get 0. When you multiply number by 0 you always get 0, and then plus 4. So your answer is 4. Come on right hand side, 3x minus 1 plus 7, and 3 into 0 minus 1 into 7. 3 multiply minus 1 you get minus 3, and then plus 7 you get 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, it means that your answer is right. Now come on the next question, that is question number 7. In question number 7 you have x is equal to 4 by 5 bracket start x plus 10 bracket close. So here 4 by 5 here multiply, then this 5 here divide, go that side and multiply, and this 4 you have to multiply inside the bracket. So what you get? When you multiply 5 by x you get 5x, when you multiply 4 inside then it becomes 4x, and 4 times are 40. Now you have to simply arrange 4x come this side become minus 40 as it is, then it becomes 4x 5x minus 4, it means x, then you get x is equal to 40. It is your answer. Now you have to check your answer is right or wrong. Just write the left hand side first. Left hand side x, what do you have here? X, then you get here directly 40. The right hand side 4 upon 5 x plus 10. 4 upon 5, what the value of x you get here? 40. Just write 40 here, and this plus 10, and 40 plus 10 what you get here? 50. Now just calculate. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. Now just you get 4 into 10, just multiply, you get 40, here 40, here 40, both are same. It means your answer is right. Now come on the, now just come back on question number 8. In question number 8 you have 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. So just make the variable one side and constant one side. 7x upon 15 come this side here minus, this 1 go this side here minus. Now 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15, take the LCM 15 here. Just 2x as it is. How many times 15 come in the table of 3? 5 times, just multiply by 5. 7x as it is. How many times 15 come in the table of 15? 1 time, just 1 put here. Now what you get? 3 minus 1 here 2. Then 5 to the 10x. 7 the 7x upon 15 is equal to 2. 10x minus 7x you get 3x upon 15 is equal to 2. Now cut by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, so you get x upon 5 is equal to 2. What is the value of x? Here 5 going multiply 2 into 5, then what is the value of x here? 10. What is the value of x here? 10. Now you have to check your answer. The left hand side 2x plus x upon 3 plus 1, and 2 upon 3 into what is the value of x here? 10. Just put 10 here plus 1. It becomes 20 upon 3 plus 1. Then it becomes, just take the LCM, 20 plus 3 upon 3 becomes 23 upon 3. Now just check the right hand side. If they also get 23 upon 3, it means your answer is right. Now come on right hand side. 7x upon 15 plus 3. 7 upon 15 as it is. What is the value of x here? 10. And 5 to the 10. 5 3 is 15. You get 14 upon 3 plus 3. Now again take the LCM. What will you get? 40 plus 9 upon 3. 23 upon 3. Both are same. 23 upon 3. 23 upon 3. Both are same. It means your answer is right. Now come on the question number 9. 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. So just arrange y one side and variable one side. This y come this side become plus, this 5 upon this side and become minus. You can write 2y plus y 26 upon 3 and then minus 5 upon 3. Then 2y plus y you get 3y here. Now both are same, just simply subtract 26 minus 5 upon 3. Then 3y is equal to 21 upon 3. Now subtract divide 3 with 3 with the 3, 3 7 is 21. So what you get 3y is equal to 7 and what is the value of y here? 3 comes this side and divide is equal to 7 upon 3. So it is your answer. Now you have to verify your answer is right or wrong. Just see here left hand side 2y plus 5 upon 3 2 into what is the value of y here? 7 upon 3. Put 7 upon 3 here plus 5 upon 3 to 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 both are same. Simply add 14 plus 5 you get 19 and 19 upon 3 you get left hand side. Now just check right hand side 26 upon 3 minus y. 26 upon 3 minus what is the value of y? 7 upon 3. Now both are same. Simply subtract 26 minus 7. What you get? 19. 19 upon 3. Both are equal. It means your answer is right. Now come on question number 10. Question number 10 is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So you have to do an arrangement. This and go this side in minus and this comes this side as plus. So you will write 8 upon 5 here plus 5m as it is and this comes this side minus 3m. So what you get 8 upon 5 is equal to 2m, 5m as you get 2m here. And what is the value of m here? Here multiply, here come in divide, it becomes m. So you will write 2 is the 2, 2 4 is the 8. So it goes 4 into 1 is 4 upon 5 is equal to m. So what is the value of m you get here? 4 by 5. Now you have to check your answer is right or wrong. So first you have to write the left hand side. What you have to do here? Check first your answer is right or wrong. So first you take here left hand side. So what is your left hand side here? 3m. Just put 3m here. 3 into what is the value of m you get here? 4 by 5. Just put 4 by 5 here. And 3 4s are 12 upon 5. It is your left hand side. Now just you have to check right hand side that your answer is right or wrong. Then again put right hand side here. What is the value of right hand side here? 5m minus 8 by 5. Now 5 into what is the value of m here? You get 4 by 5. Just put 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. It becomes 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. Then 20 minus 8 you get 12. 12 by 5. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means that your answer is right. So hope you understand.